Running an online store is exciting, but it's also a lot of work. Orders, inventory, customer questions. It can feel like you never stop. That's where a remote e-commerce site operator comes in, managing your store so you can focus on growing your business. What is an e-commerce site operator? An e-commerce site operator is a remote professional who ensures your online store runs smoothly. They handle the day-to-day operations from product uploads to order processing and customer service. Think of them as your online store manager, making sure your business operates efficiently without you being stuck in the details. Key tasks they can handle. Here's what an e-commerce site operator typically does: upload new products, update descriptions, images, and prices, monitor inventory and reorder stock to avoid overselling, process orders, confirm payments, and track shipments, respond to customer inquiries and manage returns, apply promo codes, discounts, and sales accurately, generate reports on sales performance, popular products, and conversion rates, keep the website updated with banners, categories, and product pages, and coordinate with marketing, fulfillment, and design teams. Why entrepreneurs need an e-commerce site operator. Running an online store can take hours each day, and mistakes can cost sales or customers. A dedicated commerce site operator helps you keep the store organized and running smoothly, respond to customers quickly and professionally, and focus on growth, marketing, and strategy instead of day-to-day tasks. How VAV can help. At VAV, we connect businesses with experienced e-commerce site operators. Our operators are skilled in Shopify, WooCommerce, and other platforms. They work remotely to manage your work efficiently, ensuring accurate orders, happy customers, and smooth operations without the need to hire in-house. Stop spending hours managing your online store yourself. Contact VAV today to find a remote e-commerce site operator who can manage your store, improve operations, and give you time to focus on growing your business. Run your e-commerce efficiently without the stress.